Hi there, this is a short video about how to zip your project, especially in relationship to files, where they're located on your computer, and if you're having a little trouble finding your project. So if you're inside of Visual Studio, over on the right-hand side is a window called Solution Explorer, which shows the files in your project. To know where precisely this project is stored, you can right-click on the name of the project. The name of my project is Council Application 57. I can right-click on this and choose Open Folder in File Explorer. Here you can see the exact path to my project. Now this says Visual Studio 2015, but whether you're using 17 or later, it doesn't matter. This is going to show you the path to where your project is stored. It actually opens your project folder. So if you look at the path, it says Council Application 57, which is inside of another project folder called Council Application 57, which finally is inside of projects. That is where I want to go, to the parent folder. Now I can see my project along with a lot of other projects down here, and you can see that by zipping this folder, it will contain everything that is part of this project. So I can say right-click, send to compressed, and it creates a zip file, which I have the opportunity to rename if I want to. This is the zip file that is attached in Blackboard's Dropbox. Hello, this is just a short video to show how to save and zip up a project. We'll pretend that this project was an assignment, and maybe the nature of the assignment was to display a message to the user that said, "Hello world," such as this. I would test my program. I would go to Start Without Debugging and ensure that it's working correctly, which it is, and there's no errors. You want to avoid using Save As. Save As in Visual Studio is very bad. It will take your module.vb file, and if you save it elsewhere, it will separate it from the rest of your project files that will stay in the original location. So I encourage you to just use Save All, and if you have to move your project to a different location, just go out to File Explorer and actually copy or cut your folder and move it. So I'm going to hit Save All. And it might be that you don't know where your project is saved. So just to show you a nice little trick, over here on the right, I can select my project, right-click, go to Open Folder in File Explorer. It actually opens my project. I'm currently in the folder for the project. You can see there's multiple files. And my project folder was called My Assignment. But you notice that I'm actually already inside of it. So if I go up a level, My Assignment was a subfolder inside of another My Assignment file. There's a solution file which organizes this. Finally, I'm going to go up to Projects. This is the parent folder called My Assignment and is what I want to receive in the Dropbox because it contains your program in its entirety. So to zip it up, you right-click, send to compressed. That will create a zip file, which you have the opportunity to rename if you want to. So if this is, My Assignment 3, you can rename that as needed. But this is what you will attach ultimately in the Dropbox in Blackboard.